Right then folks, welcome back to the channel. I am back to play some slots and I'm going to do a Money Train 2 versus Money Train 3 special. Now, Money Train 3 seems to be picking up a lot of traction, a lot of people viewing it. Our videos of some Money Train 3 wins have been very, very popular. And so I thought I'd try something a little bit different. So between Nigel and myself, we've got a few of the Money Train 3 videos that you've seen are ones that Relax Gaming have sent us, but we've also got a couple that we've done ourselves. I've done a feature buy session, and so has Nigel. And this one, I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to do a Money Train 2 versus Money Train 3. Let's just get these in if we can. Continue. Right, and we'll see how this goes. So I'm not going to do it on an outrageous stake. I'm going to start with. I don't think you do 40p on. So it's got to be 30. Okay, I'm going to start with 30 cents, and then if I need to, I can raise it for 50 cents. But I don't want to. I don't want to massively do my balance on this. We've got €1,000 or just over €1,004 on both, as you can see. And I'm just literally going to put the autoplay on. I'm going to put it on quick spin. I will cut out all the dead spins, so bring it back just for the features. Let's get those going. That's 100 there. And let's do the same over here. And we'll just see how we get on. See what ones are paying. See what the biggest win is for the features. And see how it goes. Obviously bring you back for any features we get. I'm playing at bets.io if you want to check out the description. Or check out the review for that. The link for that is in the description. If you are a Formula 1 fan, by the way, there's a link to my Formula 1 channel, F1 Fan Zone. Feel free to subscribe to that as well. With some live streams and whatnot in terms of the Formula 1 world. And yeah, let's see how we get on. Hopefully we'll get some features, and hopefully we'll get some features with a big win. Who knows? Who knows? Right, we have a feature on Money Train 2 is the first one that comes up. So let's go to that. I think it's on that one. Nope. Nope. Oh, it's the same one. Ah, it's bloody good, isn't it? Let me sort that out 1 second. Sergey have little joke. There we go. Right, first feature. Let's see what we can do. Balance is at. Don't even know what balance at. Balance at 952 on this. Oh, so I've still got Money Train 3 playing in the background. Collector. As always, you want something persistent, really, don't you? Saved on the last one there. Oh, we still got quick spin on. Didn't notice that. It's technically quick spin off for the features. Yeah, it's only a single. 36x. 37. Oh, that's a better payer. I had a few on there. Yeah, 73. We're about 250 spins in on Money Train 3 without a feature so far, so we needed something to come in and pay, really. Because even on 30 cents, the balance was starting to go down. That's that. 22. What's the balance now? It's updated. I'll bring it back to 979,980. So, yeah, there we go. Money Train 2, Money Train 3. You can see the balance there, 980. Oh, that's a decent hit. I would say decent enough. So that is, let's just update that for features. And that's just now one feature. Oh, I didn't see the bloody win, did I? Oh, I forgot to put a win in. 73x win it. I'll update. I'll have to go back in the video and just double check the amount and come back to you. But yeah, let's keep going. Right, we are back with another feature. Feature on Money Train 3 this time. So let's go into it. Balance at 997 on this. Let's just bring up Money Train. There we are. Okay. Let's do it, game. 100,000x. And a quick spin off. Oh, yeah. 3 of you. Oh, okay. Bloody shit, this one, isn't it? God, what a crap collector pair that was. 30x. Right, so double up. Good thing about collectors, they do double up, don't they? So 65, you got another one, it will go to 130 and so on. So, oh, that could just be it there. Okay, 133x. This is going to beat the last feature. Oh, we're still going. Oh, you fuck. That was a persistent. That was big. If that persistent collect pair comes in, that would be very big. Come on. No, we need another primo, really, don't we? Oh, you fucking teasing me with those bloody things. Alright, 138x. 138 for 41.40. 138 for 41.40. Let's update that. 38 for 41.40. 138x. And that's our biggest so far. Right. Let's keep the auto spins going on that. Right, bring you back for the next one in hopefully not too long. We're actually slightly up in profit now. Just about. We might up the stakes a little bit. We'll get another 1 or 2 features ideally first, and then I might up them up to 50 cents. But we'll see how it goes. Bonus on Money Train 3 again. So let's go back to it. Right, balance at 960. Takes a while to get this one. Still haven't had another one on Money Train 2 yet, so let's hope it was worth it for the wait. Next, come on, let's get primos. And we need, well, given we need a primo from somewhere. Come on, don't kill me. You twat. Thought it was going to drop it in them, didn't we? 630, so that is not better than what we've got. So we don't need to update that. So we just need to literally update to say we've now had 2 features. Or we should update that, shouldn't we? And go to 2. There we go. Set 100 spin. Well, it's got the auto play still to play off. So Money Train 2 still playing in the background there. We'll see. I'll bring you back for the next one. Hopefully it won't take so long. Quick update where we're at. We are down at 870, 868, 870. On the balance being a bit brutal. And this is why I wanted to keep fairly low stakes really. Because these can be like this, particularly very high volatile ones. Disappointing not to have a feature though in what, over 100 euros, because if I was to buy features I could have bought 3, nearly 4 what I've spent so far. So but hopefully it won't be too, or maybe one might drop in. Money Train 2 I must have had about 100 teasers not to come in, and that's got to be pushing on 7, 8, 900 spins. About a feature there, so we'll see. Feature at long last on Money Train 2. Oh dear. Balance down at 813. Taking a while this one. Let's come over and put that. There we go. Right, coming in. We need something good. So nearly 200 euros down for what? This is feature number 4. So if I just was buying these features, it would cost 120. As I've cost me actually 200. Reset, right. Come on then, let's get a Persistent Collector. Don't know, I'm asking for much, am I really? Ones. Collector's good because that's a double up. Another collector would be nice. A persistent collector would be fantastic, but that's not going to happen. It's going to be it. Oh, pay is good as well. Yep, it's fine. Yep, okay, it's a decent feature one, this one. Come on, game. And can we now... Oh, don't do it. Okay, 172x. 5160. It's our new best. 172x. 5160. 172x. Write that down. There. X. 1. Oh, sorry, 5116 one. Bad, there we go. There. Now 2 features. Off we go again. Hope that we can get another one fairly quickly. Obviously I'll bring it back. That's 4 features in total. Hopefully not too long till feature number 5. Right, didn't take too long. We have a feature on Money Train 3. Let's go to the ticket. That's the Fave Fellow. Money Train 3 then. Come on, game. Take the off. $25x. Primos. What's the absorber? Okay. 38x. Any more primos? Primos? Primos. Okay. Ooh. Ah, wrong one. I needed it on that 27x there, didn't we? Needed one next door. Collector would be nice now to double up. The 3x, €15. That puts us up a little bit. Go back. That's 3 features. Obviously, didn't beat the previous best. Oh. Much to ask for. That is now 3 features. But the best still being a 138x Money Train 3, 172x for Money Train 2. Bring it back. Would you believe we've got a feature on both of them at the same time? Oh, I know. So, we'll go with Money Train 2 first, I think. Because that's one behind. And effects v2. Unmute that tab. Bring up. That one. Okay, Money Train 2. On something good. $15x. Just a reminder, if you like what you're watching, don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We are an independent channel. We don't receive any outside funding or anything like that. So having subscribers, etc., and likes helps the channel a long way. With a collector really to double up. Oh, that could be it. Oh, safe on the last one. Oh dear. Like 43x. Right, let's put the auto spins back on this. Quick spin, no. Right, let's go to the other one. Let's mute this tab. Unmute this one. Nothing persistent, but oh, let's turn the quick spin off. If you like this sort of video, if you like to see these sort of duels, let me know. Oh, it's only bloody once, isn't it? Would you believe it? If you do like these sort of duel videos, let me know what you think. Is there other types of duel games you want to see me play? I did do quite a while ago Dead or Alive versus Dead or Alive 2. Maybe that's something again I can do. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We need a collector here, don't we? Double up. Something like that will help. Doesn't actually add anything, but it does create a bit more space. Distant sniper there would have been very nice indeed. Come on, game, let's get a primo. Nope, 74x. 22 euro. Right, let's update. That's now 4 features, but the best is still. And this one is now 3 features. And that is 7 in total. I think we'll go for a couple more. Let's just. Oh, okay. Let's just see what this one does here. Well, we need one in that middle there, really, don't we? Okay, it's a little bit money down on times 3. Yeah, 23 euros. And suddenly we're back up over 900. So it'd be nice to get another quick feature, I must admit. But we'll see. Bring it back. Right, so down at 895 euros to balance. 895, 66 or 96. Obviously we're on 4-3. What I'm going to do is round these up to 5-1. And we're going to do feature buys for these last couple, just because it's getting late and it takes a while sat here, even with quick spins. So I'm going to do 2 bonus buys to bring it up to 5 on Money Train 2, and then do 1 on Money Train 3. So we want to actually go on to that one. We've got 2 of these to buy. What the biggest multiplier we can get is. How much it pays. I thought it was going to kill us off first spin there. Just realised I was on quick spin or quick spin turned off. On the last one again. Come on, let's get something persistent game. Oh, we're going down to the last spin again, are we? Oh, there's a collector. Well, that's a double up at least. 100x is money back on this, obviously. So another collector now would be nice because it would pretty much put us there. Oh, I've got a feeling this might be it. And my feeling was right. Okay, 49x, 1470. That was feature number 4. Last one, feature number 5. Money Train 2. Obviously nothing persistent. Why would it be? Why would it be? Right, come on in game. Yeah. Okay, pay 3x. Premiums. Vector doubles up. Oh. Oh, it's worse than the last one, 38x. Okay, that's 5 features there. That was crap. Let's just so let's just change this to 5. And the best win there remains at 172x, 51.60. Let's go to Money Train 4. Sorry, Money Train 4. Get ahead of yourself. Money Train 3. What I mean. And buy one there. Oh, we should probably that tab and unmute this one. Right. Come this game. Take the win on the last go. That would be 10 features, 5 features each. Using primos. One game. Not looking good. Painful 22x. There we go. 838 euros. We'll just bring up. If I just move myself, you'll see there 838 euros. Okay. Bye. Let's have a look. So, bring this one up. And actually, Money Train 2 got the biggest win, although I thought Money Train 3 was a bit more consistent in 1, hit the feature, and 2, its wins. So, there we go. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Like I said, we are an independent channel. We're totally self-funding over here. So, and again, if you want to check out the welcome offer at bets.io or any of casinos that we represent, please feel free to look at that in the description as well. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you all again